So this is the only tutorial you will need ever again to connect VAPI directly to GoHighLevel automation so that the GoHighLevel automation triggers the VAPI calls. Okay, so what you will need is obviously you will need GoHighLevel, access to GoHighLevel, access to the automation, and you will need VAPI too. So for those of you who are new, you can check out our affiliate links down below. We have like free credits for VAPI and free credits for GoHighLevel. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to API keys in VAPI and prepare your public API key. So that's the first thing you want to do. Second thing you want to do is you want to go into automation on GoHighLevel. Why? Because we actually need automation for this to work, okay? So make sure to create a new automation or an existing one. I will show you an existing one. So once you're in your existing workflow, now obviously this is not really an existing workflow, but I will show you here how it works. You want to go and add a webhook, okay? Now here you have a webhook and you have a custom webhook. Now this is a custom webhook. This is really great because you don't have to use make.com or na10. You can use just a custom webhook. I will name it a VAPI. We'll go with custom, we'll go with post, and we'll use this URL right here. This is from an API call or API documentation for VAPI. So let's just paste this right in here. And what we want to do is we want to add headers and we want to add authorization. So authorization, and we want to type bearer. And then here we want to enter our VAPI public key. So let's copy this. Want to enter the VAPI public key like that, okay? And you want to go and you want to hit save, okay? Now, one thing I haven't mentioned, and it's really important, is to fill in the custom values how you want. And the thing is, what I did here is I added the assistant ID. So the assistant ID is usually found here if you go to assistants. And since I want this assistant, I just copy it here. So this is the assistant ID. I paste it here. And I have phone number ID, which I can go to phone numbers. And here I have that ID, so I just paste that right in here. Obviously here you can see that I'm getting the first name, the name of the contact, and I'm also getting the number and name here. The number is phone raw. Make sure to put phone raw. This just make sure that you are getting like a +1 number 2, or let's say you have a country code, it will include it inside of it. So that's what you need to do here. By the way, for the API key, one more thing is I forgot to mention this, but you can use private key. Don't use public key. I accidentally copied public key, so just make sure you use that. And yeah, from there, just save action. And that right now should be working well. And now how this works in like when you want to call someone or when you want to add the tag. So currently in this workflow, whenever a contact is created or whenever we add a contact tag to the contact, then we will trigger VAPI, okay? So in this case, we can choose contact tag and we can create a new tag here called VAPI, and we can add that tag, okay? Now, once we add this tag, let's say we publish this, we hit save, and whenever we go back, if we go to contacts right here, and if we add right here, let's say we add to this contact, we add the tag. So let me actually go back here. So if I add this tag to the contact, and the tag will be VAPI, then what will happen is when we add the tag here, we can enter the description, AI call. When we add the tag, the VAPI will call that specific person, okay? So that's what you want to know to basically go and integrate VAPI with GoHighLevel. If you want to try out GoHighLevel and test it out for yourself, you can do it with our link below. And we also have a VAPI link down below for free credits. So if you want to check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.